Hi, my name is John Cutler, and I'm very excited to be speaking at the Product Elevation Conference. My role as product evangelist at Amplitude involves me working with current customers and future customers to both teach them about the product, teach them how to use the product, get the most out of the product, but also about topics that are related more to general product development, product management, org design. So we believe as a company that our product is great, but if you can get some other habits in place, you can get even more out of our product, hence my particular role. So it involves doing a lot of workshops with teams and a lot of one-on-one coaching sessions with product leaders. Generally, I think diverse teams that collaborate make better products. We're in this really emergent environment with many of the things we build, and those types of environments benefit from many different perspectives. And if you can't collaborate as a team, you're just really missing out, right? You're just focusing on shipping and maybe not learning. So I think that's why it's important. This is a tough one because the word customer-centric gets thrown around a lot. Sometimes it's just this cliche term that, oh, we're customer-centric. And actually, there's a lot of companies that are very customer-centric, but not actually particularly good at making digital products. So they say they're customer-centric, but they just don't happen to express that through how they design and build digital experiences. So, I would say that for a product team to be customer-centric is really to be focusing on customer outcomes. Is the customer able to do things effectively, efficiently, delightfully? Are you effective at helping the customer change their environment the way they want to change their environment? Are you thinking about their long-term goals, not just their sort of short-term usability goals? So I think it really means kind of thinking about your product as a promise to customers and asking the question, are we keeping that promise to our customers? The thing I like to say about feature factories is that using the proxy of a feature being built or a project being shipped is not the worst proxy, in the sense that, something exists that didn't exist yesterday. So I think that many of the companies that focus on the feature factory, haven't really thought carefully about how to set better proxies, or they can't really learn fast enough to set better proxies. So a lot of companies know that they should be thinking about customer outcomes, but they haven't really thought about how to work in a way that allows the teams to know if their work is working. That's where Amplitude really comes in, the company I work for. But in general, I think the feature factory exists because many companies haven't considered using better measures and better proxies for success of what they're doing, or they just have trouble shipping anything. And so it's a minor miracle if they can ship anything. So we're going to be focused on how to support environments where better questions can emerge. I really think that questions can be extremely powerful. And I also think that many of the ways that we elicit questions shut down on the creativity of those questions. We don't really create environments where bad questions can lead to really good questions. And so I think that what we're going to focus on in my talk is both sort of what makes a great question, but then also some actionable things you can do to make sure that you've supported that environment where those questions can emerge. I think it's about just connecting with friends, and I think that even though I'm going to be sort of attending virtually, I think the ability to I always like kind of connecting with the product community, see folks like Barry. I think that's going to be great. So yeah, I'm looking forward to connecting with the community. And I'm really always very impressed with what David's done with these events. So I think what I'm looking to most is supporting this new initiative. I think that this product-centric conference is really a great idea. So hopefully that helps.